guys, welcome back to Cute Caboodle. Today I'm going to be showing you all these slimes I made, plus this unicorn one that I already had. So let's get started. Which one should we do first? Definitely this unicorn one. And guys, try not to say like, oh my gosh, this is so satisfying, or like, oh my god, that looks so good. But it's really watery slime. Watch how watery. Like, look, it's so slippery, but it feels like so good. And yeah, I had a struggle putting it back in, so I'll meet you back in just a minute. Okay, finally got it back in, so yeah, which one should we do next? Right here, let's see. I don't want to do this cotton candy one. I don't know. There's lovely pieces out there. Look at this. It's like regular slime, like a decent slime. And so I did put some like glitter and things in there. So it gives it so much fun texture, and yeah. Let's move on to our next slime, and sorry for my fingers. I hate it when slime does that, like 6 years ago. So here I have the unicorn slime that I made. Oh, sorry. And then there's a unicorn on top of there. And so I'm going to take this out. And so we're going to see if we can find our unicorn. I think I can already see it. There it is! I don't know if I can see it because it's like bigger than the slime, but yeah. This feels good as well. There's some glitter in there. There's some red, pink. No, not pink. Sorry, I get confused sometimes. There's some red, green, and yellow glitter. Sorry if I said pink. Sorry guys, even YouTubers mess up. It's just how I am. Now we're going to do the fun crunch. Now this supposed to be like the confetti, but I don't know if I would eat slime. It would be gross. So there's another little thing there. I did add some foam beads. And this feels so good. Like, it gives it a lot of fun texture. I'm telling you guys, you need to add in some add-ins with this one. It gives it so much fun texture. I'm not even kidding. I know I'm saying that a lot, but yeah. And I think I'm going to do the shamrock shake slime next. And sorry, it's kind of a struggle to get these containers open and kind of like that. And I just got like a fluffy slime. It's a fluffy green. It feels so good. I'm not even gonna lie. I mean, like, look. I know you guys might say satisfying, and please try not to say satisfying or like, yeah, what I said before. Where's the cap code? Oh, it's right here. Had I not noticed that? So here we have the fluffy crunch. Hang on, I'm getting in there. Alright, so here's our fluffy crunch. And sorry if you hear my sis in the background, she's playing her something. And so look at all these foam beads. It gives it like a weird texture in this one. But it is kind of fluffy slime, and pink is my favorite color. So yeah. I know my hands look weird, probably because I've been playing with slime. So yeah. Alright guys, that's it for today. Make sure to comment which slime was your favorite. Please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.